Jai Srimannarayana. Fifth sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Klesaha adhikataraha tesham avyakta asakta chetasam अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखं देहवद्भिः अवाप्यते। ओम श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा's Anugraham is very essential for you to understand yourself, that is self-realization. That is why surrender to Sri Krishna Paramatma to attain self-realization and to attain Paramatma realization. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally for me to get self-realization, for me to get your Paramatma realization. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमो दशमस्कन्धं 10th skandham 212th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshi, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma came down to the place where he hid all the boys and baby cows. They are there as it is. From there, Chaturmukha Brahma also has seen Vrindavanam. There also, in the same number of babies, boys and baby cows, Krishna Paramatma enjoying with himself and Balarama in Vrindavanam. So Brahma has seen in both places, both number of boys and baby cows are there, and he was unable to understand. Evameteshu bhedeshu chiram dhyatva sa atma bhuhu. He was not able to understand which is real, which one is fake. How much ever he tried, he could not figure it out. But satyah ke katare neti jnatum neshte kadhanchana. How much ever he tried, even after he put all of his evaluating ability, he could not figure out which is satyam, which is asatyam, which one is real, which one is fake. Like that, మోహములేక జగంబుల మోహింపగచేయనేర్చి మొనసిన విష్ణున్ మోహింపించదననియడు మోహమున విధాత తాన మోహితుడయ్యన్. ఏవం సమ్మోహయన్ విష్ణుం విమోహం విశ్వమోహనం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, శ్రీ మహావిష్ణు is never tainted with illusion, delusion. In fact, he is the one who can put this entire creation in illusion. He can create illusion. Such Paramatma Srimannarayana, the one who is all pervasive Sri Mahavishnu, the one Sri Krishna Paramatma. Brahmadeva tried to put Krishna Paramatma in illusion. Brahmadeva tried to cause illusion to Sri Krishna Paramatma, but it is failed and Brahma himself got drowned in that Maya, in that Brahma, in that Moham. Sri Krishna Paramatma is the birthplace for all the Mayas. Brahma tried to put Krishna into the Maya and it is failed. Brahma himself fell into that Maya. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 12th chapter 5th श्लोक. क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहवद्भिरवाप्यते. क्लेशोऽधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्तासक्तचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहवद्भिरवाप्यते. श्रीमन्नारायणा करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.